Hello friends, glad to see you again on the channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change wallpaper on your Poco M8 Pro. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any future guides. Now let's get started and set up the feature.